హాయ్ మిగోస్,
అందరూ ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బై ది వే వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్
శ్రీను అను డైరీస్.
రండి గుళ్ళోకి వెళ్దాం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
This rare confluence of training, uniquely recognized as the leading torchbearer of two pillars of Indian classical music. Over the decades, his mellifluous voice, soul-stirring artistry, and technical perfection have enthralled audiences and received rave reviews worldwide at many prestigious music conferences like the Clover Lane Music Conference, Saptak Samaroh, etc. A Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Pandit Ghosh is also a pathfinding guru. He has created an unparalleled institution, the Center for Indian Classical Music of Houston, or CICMH, where music, musicians, and music lovers unite. Similarly, Sadhana Parivar, the Gurukul founded by Pandit Ji and Srimati Shashikala Ghosh Ji, is truly a place where tradition opens its door to the future. And if I may go off script here and say, it is my distinct honor, privilege, and humble feeling to say that I have been a Shishya of Pandit Guruji Suman Ghosh for over 15 years now. Thank you, Guruji. We will hear some renditions today in the students of Krishna Gana Sudha music dedicated to nurturing and promoting Carnatic classical music in India and the United States. Founded and led by Vidushi Rajarajeshwari Bhatt, a renowned vocalist, visionary director, accomplished composer, and inspiring educator, the Academy has emerged as a center of excellence for aspiring musicians across generations. Born into a distinguished family of musicians and trained under legendary gurus, Vidushi Rajeshwari recognizing her selfless service in promoting Carnatic music globally. Under her leadership, Krishna Gana Sudha Music Academy continues to uphold the rich parampara of Carnatic music. Dallas, thank you, to perform for us today. Their performance has been organized by Srimati Praveena Varadarajan, Vice President of the Metroplex Tamil Sangam in Dallas. The narrator for the musical segment of the evening will be my Guruma, Srimati Shashikala Ghosh Ji. I request her to take over from here. Thank you.
Jai Ho everyone, Jai Hind.
జై హింద్.
A warm welcome to all of you, Council General Ji, Arpita Ji, and all esteemed guests. Thank you for joining us in this tribute. We begin our tribute today with an instrumental performance by Veena Ensemble. The beauty of this composition, Vande Mataram, is that it lends itself easily to vocal as well as instrumental conditions. They will begin with a popular version of Vande Mataram, followed by a bouquet of patriotic songs, including the evergreen Sare Jahan Se Acha. Please join me in welcoming the vocal ensemble, Veena Ensemble. coming all the way from Dallas and in this weather. Thank you very much. We just heard some iconic compositions that were written and composed by the revered Mahakavi Subramanya Bharati, a poet and an activist from Tamil Nadu.
Is Ms. Praveena Varadarajan and the Metroplex Tamil Sangam and all of the performers for today.
Can you lower your hand? All right.
Thank you.
మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చిందని అనుకుంటున్నాము. నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ శ్రీను అను డైరీస్కి ఖచ్చితంగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అంటిల్ దెన్ టేక్ కేర్, బాయ్.